Congratulations! You just received an order. Let's quickly walk through how to process it. When you get an order, it automatically syncs to your OwnPrint dashboard. All you have to do is review the details and complete the payment. We handle the rest. To get started, open the Orders tab and click on the order you'd like to process. Here you'll see what the customer ordered, the engraving details they've provided, the shipping address, a section for notes and instructions, and your billing information. If you need to include special instructions or upload a new file, you can do that in the Additional Files section. Click Add Note in the Additional Files section to attach images or notes. This is helpful if you need to replace a message card, update designs or engraving details, upload a customer's photo, or send our team specific requests. You can add up to 5 files or notes per order. Editing order details. If your customer requests last-minute changes, such as product color, quantity adjustments, or address updates, simply click Edit Details, make your adjustments, and save. Your billing details remain completely private, used only for invoicing between you and OwnPrint. Customers will never see your costs or billing details. To conveniently save your billing info for future orders, just click Update Billing Info for all orders. When you're ready to pay, select your payment method. And if you've earned some OwnPrint coins, now's a great time to use them for a discount. After payment, your order immediately moves into production. Within 2 to 5 business days, your order ships and tracking details automatically update in your dashboard and store. And that's it! Your order is now ready to be processed and make its way to a happy customer.